Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the master iPhone 17 Air hotspot guide. So I'll show you how to share your internet anywhere. So here we have our 17 Air. Now if we want to share our internet, all we have to do is go over to the control center by swiping down from the right side. Now we are at the control center, and here all we have to do is click on this folder right here, click on it, and here we have our personal hotspot. So now make sure that this is discoverable. It should turn off our Wi-Fi completely. And now after it's enabled, let's go over to the settings, and here we need to click on personal hotspot. Now here we need to allow others to join, and here we have the Wi-Fi password. We can set it up. It is already set up from my previous iCloud, so this is where you guys can change your password. You can put literally anything. You guys can spam the letters. You guys can do anything you want, like HardReset.2000. Now we can save the password, and here we can also maximize compatibility by basically reducing the performance of our internet to how many devices are connected. So now if you guys want to use it, I'll grab the phone and I'll show you guys how to easily connect to it. So here I've got my phone. Now I'll just go over to the Bluetooth, sorry, not the Bluetooth, but the Wi-Fi, and here in the other networks we should be able to see the Air. So the Air is our iPhone. Now we have to enter the password, and the passcode was HardReset.2000. So now let's just click confirm, and as you guys can see, we are connected right here, and our dynamic island is showing us that we have successfully managed a connection and that at least one device is connected into our hotspot. So this is how you guys can easily share your internet anywhere. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.